Hi, Serban. Hi, classmate. This is my pronunciation practice. Long E is reason, equal, teaching, free, eager, meaning, agree, leader, guarantee. Long U, truth, conclusion, student, issue, value, use, fluent, exclusion, usually, improve. V sound, visual, vanguard, provide, viewpoint, values, deliver, give, improvement, effective, voice. Voice, th, this, days, that, another, together, with, breath, gather, therefore, those. Voiceless th, think, truth, theory, authority, ethics, method, growth, thesis, path, author. F sounds, focus, famous, confidence, fluency, reference, influence, brief, proof, belief, feedback.